This is balcony room 7108 on Radiance of the Seas, and it might be one of the best cabins on the ship, or one you should avoid. Off to the left here, we have the restroom. Take a peek in here. Our stateroom host was very nice to tell us in the middle of the night. Remember, there's that pretty decent ledge there, so hopefully we don't have any accidents on this cruise. Going into the bathroom here. Alright, we've got the shower off to the left. We knew coming in from other tours that it's just going to be a curtain, so hopefully we'll do all right with that and not make a complete mess. And I do like though that it has the hand adjustable shower, so when we have a little human in here, that will also help us wash him. Got some towels up here. The throne. Sorry for going up and down, it's just a little space. Got some towels. Try to back out here, get a better view of the vanity, some lights, and then our sink. Nice storage area underneath. Alright, back to the entryway. If you had went right instead of left for the bathroom, we've got some storage, our closet. Oh, but I'm getting all the lights incorrect. Alright, so, oh, and now Grayson's gonna play with them, so that's great. Shelves, lots of shelves, which is awesome. Going this way.
There's a life jacket right up there.
There's a life jacket right up there. Nice job, buddy. Going into the next closet over here.
And there's another lifesaver one.
Yep, life vest for everybody.
And we
Good
have
amount
floaties
of
for me.
hangers to hang up clothes.
And we have floaties for me.
Floaties for you, that's right. All right, continuing on towards the balcony. Come in here, we've got the vanity.
And we have a mirror.
And we have a mirror.
And
Nice
we have
three
a
drawers here.
light that makes the lights go
Some
on. Oh.
good reading for us to do while somebody's taking a rest before our sail away party. In here we've got the room service menu, and we've got our order slip for morning, which we love to do that, so we will definitely be doing this. And we have paper. All right, and then over here above the TV, a couple more bins. Oh, there's our safe.
We
learned our lesson yesterday at the hotel.
Mama. And we have lots of stuff in here today.
That's right.
And I'm Grayson, and that's Mommy, and that's Daddy.
Great job.
Yourself.
Oh yes, sorry. And I'm Mommy. You're so funny. All right, and then we've got some more drawers here. Under here we have a little cooler.
And we have a speaker.
We have a speaker. But as I was saying, yesterday at the hotel, we completely forgot to record. So we wanted to do it first thing we got in. So you are exploring it with us for the first time. Right, nice cooler.
Dad, I was supposed to be the first helper.
You're the first helper? Jeez, Dad. All right, I'm gonna show this way. A little seating area, currently holding our stroller and backpack. They did let us come in before the rooms were ready and drop some stuff off. They just hadn't vacuumed yet, and so we just said we would keep everything up off the floor. So that's why that's there.
And that's a big picture.
A big picture and a big mirror. And then yes, this will turn out, pull out into a single bed for Grayson. All right.
We have a big picture right here too.
Yeah, oh, and a big picture there too. Perfect. And here is our bed. We asked for them to be pushed together. We'll have to let you know how comfy it is after we try it out for a night. This was a nice surprise when we came in today. some Royal Beach Club Paradise Island hats.
And
One for each of us.
bracelets.
Yes, your bracelet for your safety, for your muster station, right? He told us it's very important that you wear that every day, all day. All right.
But
So
not
yes, these.
this day, because the day you were on here.
Well, we're gonna put it on now and then wear it the rest of the cruise. We'll see. Talk about it later. All right. And then we've got these hats again. 3 of them, which we first just saw the 2. So it's super nice that they included one for Grayson. And then a nice Royal Beach Club wet bag. So, nice surprise. And we have a TV. All right. Over here, we got the lamp. Light switch, phone, another drawer, little more storage area. You don't call anybody now, please.
Yeah, because this is for furniture.
And we'll be back out here in just a minute, but this is why we were most excited about this room, is this huge balcony. Again, on this side,
And let's check them out.
we have the light.
Mom.
And some drawers and storage. And yes,
Mom,
we are ready.
Let's go out the balcony.
All right, let's figure out the child lock. I think it's already up. I
And
think we're good.
that's it. And this
Oh,
is
here we go.
real cool door because it opens right away.
Yes. So yes, very big balcony out here.
Yeah, and we have a little table.
Hold on, babe.
And like there's a chair and that chair and 2 chairs and there's another big shelf.
Yes, there is multiple big ships out there today, aren't there? Can you show us the table again? I wasn't on you.
That table
That's our table.
and these 2 chairs
Yes.
and that 2 chairs.
Yeah, we're gonna spend a lot of time out here.
There's the pipe up there.
Lounge chairs so we can actually lay out here.
Yeah, and
We are covered, but that'll help us from getting too hot.
And there's the pipes.
Yeah, there's the pipes. All right, and yes, we'll definitely be having some breakfast out here. Yep. All right, get out here. We are still at Fort Lauderdale. Today the view we've got there is the Liberty of the Seas.
Yep, and that's the Disney cruise ship.
Yep, right past the Liberty is the Disney Dream. You are correct, Grayson.
And that's the white there.
Yep.
Oh no, we can come on the park all the way.
So there we have it. Initial tour of 7108. We will let you know what we think as the time goes on, but we are.
And we'll never make sure all of these are closed when we're leaving, right?
That's right. All right. So we will let you know how it goes, but this balcony is definitely a selling point for us, and we are excited to spend a lot of time out here. While Grayson is showing you the comfy pillows, I just wanted to jump in and say we were really happy with room 7108. The balcony was fabulous, and we spent a ton of time out there. Location-wise, this room has both pros and cons. The big pro is that it's midship and right by the elevator, which is super convenient. The con is it's midship and right by the elevator, so it can get noisy. There are doors at the start of the hallway that close later at night, presumably to help block noise. You will hear those doors open and shut throughout the evening. On New Year's Eve, we could also hear music from the party in the Stateroom. It wasn't very loud and it didn't bother us. But if you're noise averse, this probably isn't the room for you. If you love a big balcony and can handle a little noise, this room could absolutely be your paradise. It was for us. With that, we want to say,
And thank you for watching our cartoon. And